Hi, this is Bea Lennux and welcome back to my channel. And we are in the tiny BFE little town of Balconies Heights, Texas. So you blink and you miss it. Yeah, so you kind of just like drive right through and there's like 5 lights and that's it. And it's done. So here we go. We got a nice little Goldie's Gym. And then of course we got a little Black Friday deals right behind me. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go and take like a brief little tour and just kind of see what's got going on over there. Actually, they got people lining up outside right there already. They're already lining up for tomorrow. For tomorrow, people. Oh my gosh, yeah. So it gets that serious. So they got one over here, they got one in Houston. It's just some other stuff. Anyways, so people like get that serious over some of the bargains that they got in there. It's like $7. But anyway, I wanted to get you guys an idea of what it's like over here. So we got the Hobby Lobby right here, right behind me. This is more of like a commercial area, but they got some like apartment communities. Very, very, very nice. Crime is kind of like on the downside over here. It's by medical center, I guess you could say. Had a hard time getting that one out. Lots of food, restaurant chains around here. Everywhere you go. So totally cool place to live. And like if you want to be close to like bus lines, you got like kids, stuff like that, bam, easiest place to live. Totally cool. So you got the Krav Maga. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Teach you a lot of shit. And you got PF, you got all that good stuff everywhere around right here. Conveniency all the way. So you got the Chick-fil-A right there across the way. Although, you know, they didn't really like the gay people, but whatever. They employ them here. So, yeah. So, communities all around. And I just thought I'd take you on a brief like little walk. Major intersections all throughout over here, and it's just a really nice day today, and I hope everyone's spirits are really nice and uppity, and yeah. So this is more of it. Yeah, it's very commercial, very commercial. All you see is pavement all the way around, so it's not like you're going into like little neighborhoods or nothing like that. It's pavement. And they got a lot of resources around here as far as like food or shopping and stuff like that. People just go to kick it. Oh yeah, so the Hobby Lobby is actually the Wonderland Mall, by the way. And the Wonderland Mall is actually one of the more smaller malls. And over there is actually where they got the Beauty Secrets, where I need to go and get my eyebrows done. And since I'm already over here, I need to go get my eyebrows did. Oh my gosh, yeah. So excited. And yeah, because I got like a couple days left to go get those things done. Yeah, so you look around right here. Am I able to turn this around? No, it don't let me right now. No, it don't let me. So you see this nice long little street, that's Balconies Heights. And that's all she wrote. So until then, I'll see you later.